Hello, my name is Jalen. Hello, my name is Andrea, and we're going to sing "This Is Me" by Demi Lovato. Hope you like it. You better. LOL. I've always been the kind of girl that hits my pace. So afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. But I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know. To let you know. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Let the light shine on me. Now I know who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No one hiding who I wanna be. This is me. You know what it's like. Feels so in the dark to dream about a life. You're the shining star, but I know it seems like it's too far away. But I have to believe myself. It's the only way. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. I'm gonna let the light shine on me. Now I'm found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. And this is me. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Richie. LA